What's up, squad? We are back with a special video I'm excited to bring to y'all today. A pair I'm glad to get my hands on. And today we are talking about the Nike Kobe 6 Protro Dodgers. Comes in the new Kobe box that we've seen since the What the Kobe's. Box is dope, man. Nice new Kobe box is welcome. And this is in the Game Royal and White colorway. So very familiar, I'm sure you guys have seen. It's as simple as they come, right? Dodger blue and white. You get the nice black Kobe tissue paper, that new tissue paper that we've seen with the What the Kobe's. There's the actual shoe, just done up in a simple blue and white. This is my first, sneaker of this color blue, obviously, like a bright, kind of royal and white, simple blue. But beautiful shoe, man. Just the Kobe 6 is arguably the most worn, of the Kobe line, I think. Definitely the most worn in the NBA. You see all kinds of PEs, a lot of retros that the players play in all the time. PJ Tucker, Jalen Brunson, like you name them, like players across the world, as well as WNBA. Like Caitlin Clark, plays in a ton of Kobe's, and there's a lot of other players in WNBA that play in Kobe sneakers. But again, Kobe. So we know that Kobe is probably the player, the athlete with the most kind of crossover appeal because of his love of other sports. We know that, his time growing up in Italy, Kobe has a huge love for soccer, right? He was a great soccer player, for what we've heard. Loved FC Barcelona. They actually did a Kobe 11 in the Mamba Curial. They actually did an earlier version too. I think it was the Kobe 9 or 10. But based on a soccer shoe. So this is the Kobe 11, Mamba Curial. So you got FC Barcelona colorway, kind of that blue, red, and blue. But it's definitely made like a soccer shoe, right? You got the gum bottom, like an indoor soccer shoe, playing futsal and so forth. You got a little crest on the back with the Mamba logo. And of course now his love for baseball, right? Kobe has always had a love for the Dodgers, obviously 20 years playing in LA. He was a through and through Dodgers fan, and they did this up, man. We're seeing that Dodgers colorway applied to the Kobe 6. I love it. I like the Dodgers a lot. I'm an O's fan at heart, but my National League team, probably the Dodgers. I've always had LA love, since I was younger, man. Like always leaned towards LA, love the city, the sports out there. Been a Raiders fan all my life. My favorite player is Bo Jackson. And when Bo played during the hype, man, it was actually the Raiders were not in Oakland, they were in Los Angeles. So it was during that time, NWA, Raiders hats, the whole nine. I grew up, that was my jam. But anyway, the shoe itself, blue, the royal blue all over. You got red stitching around the tongue, like a baseball stitch. It actually comes with white laces as well. You got the white midsole, royal blue, and white on the sole of the shoe. You got your carbon fiber plate, and then the Kobe number 8 on the side, right? His number 8, earlier number, but the font is like you would see on a baseball jersey. Kind of similar to a basketball jersey as well, but the same, and in red. And then you got the Kobe signature on the back. Everything else is just basic Kobe 6 construction. You got the scales on top, or the islands as they call them, those snake scales, and just an overall dope shoe. The QC on these for me, and inspecting, no issues with glue or nothing. I mean, it just came out pretty clean. I always recommend with the Kobe 6, you want to size up, at least a half size. I go full size now. This is a size 12, and I just find, you get your true to size, and I'm gonna tell you what, your feet are it's gonna be snug if you're rocking them casually. If you're playing ball in them, sure, you could do that. They'll loosen up, you break them in as you're running back and forth, but for rocking casually, go up a half size and thank me later. Maybe a full size if you don't, if you want a little more comfort for your toes. But a size 12 for me, put them on right out the box. They're going about my business. I'm comfortable all day. But yeah, great shoe. One of my favorites. I love Kobe 6s. I have a bunch of them. I'm glad to get this one in hand. We got the Brooklyn Dodgers hat. That's the only Dodgers blue hat that I have. Just before they moved to LA, obviously. Jackie Robinson, if you know, you know. That's for the culture. But I will be picking up probably a LA Dodgers hat as well to go with this. Dope shoe, man, dope shoe. But let me give a little PSA. So I went to pick mine up yesterday. Shout out to DTLR. picked my shoes up in store, hit on their raffle, and I wore my Mamba Cedar 6s to go pick up the Kobe Dodgers. Right? I was like, it's Kobe Day, I'm gonna wear these. And I wear these. These are worn, nothing. I'm not putting them on the shelf like a trophy or anything like that. Love the shoe, what it means, what it represents. They're not going anywhere ever. And I got into a conversation with a guy in the store, another customer, and he's like, man, you broke out your Mamba Cedars to come pick up the Kobe's? And I was like, I didn't break them out. I mean, yeah, I wanted to wear them. Kobe, for just giving up some love. But he was like, man, I can't wear them. I can't wear mine. I'm like, why not? He's like, it's a value, man. I'm like, well, I'm not selling mine. He's not going anywhere. He's staying home. He's like, yeah, I'm not selling mine either. It's just the value of them. And I'm like, they're worth what, like 900,000, whatever at this point. But you're not selling them. But then you're not gonna wear them because they're worth X dollars. And I'm like, bro, life's too short, man. Wear your shoes, enjoy your shoes. Like you got them. Why not wear them? They're shoes. They're made to be worn. All they're gonna do is, degrade and eventually fall apart in the box. So that's just a PSA, y'all. Wear your shoes, man. Like if you're not selling them, wear them, right? I mean, if you're just holding on to them, they're just in the storage place somewhere forever and ever and ever and ever. What does that serve? And you're hustling to make money, then hustling for drops to get pairs. Just don't just be a hoarder just for the sake of hoarding. Like wear the shoes or get them out of there. Put them to somebody's use. That's my PSA. I'm gonna get off my soapbox. But in any event, the Kobe Nike 6 Protro Dodgers, dope shoe, man. Dope shoe. Let me know what y'all think about this. I know some people, I got a buddy that's a Philly baseball fan, the Phillies, and he's like, he can't bring himself to wear this shoe. And I get it. They're in the National League. It's not gonna happen. So I get that. But other than that, I saw a lot of people pass on this shoe, but then I saw a lot of W's too. Shout out to Undefeated that did the raffles, and they also dropped some merch and some baseball gear that was brought out with the shoe. You had, a catcher's chest plate, you had gloves and arm sleeves and all kinds of stuff. Whole collection, right, as well as tees and things like that. Let me know what y'all thought of that. This drop is the one that you had marked on your list, or are you passing and on to the next? I know we have more coming. We got the orange coming that's out, the orange Kobe 6 coming out, I think, in a couple months. And some other things this year I'm excited for. But more is on the way, y'all. Thanks for hanging out, checking out the shoe. Just wanted to bring y'all that quick review as I picked these up yesterday. Let me know what you think of that shoe and if you got. All right, sub up on your way out. Hit me on the socials at Real Daddy Seed, and I will see y'all on the next. Peace.